In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Pipedrive using Zapier. This is going to be an easy step-by-step process, so let's dive in. First, we'll head on over to Zapier's website. Zapier is an online automation tool that connects your apps and services. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, you'll see a button labeled Create. Let's go ahead and click that. This will start a new Zap, which is basically a set of instructions Zapier follows to automate your task. Next, look for the section titled Zans. Clicking this allows you to choose the apps you'll be connecting. In this case, the first app we're interested in is Calendly. But before we dive in, click on Trigger, which is where you decide what event will start this automation. In Zapier lingo, a trigger is the event that initiates the workflow of your Zap. Now let's search for Calendly within the search bar. Type in Calendly and you'll see it pop up. Go ahead and select it by clicking on it. We're now going to decide on a triggering event. Click on Choose an Event, and from the list of options, select Invitee Created. This means that when someone schedules a meeting with you via Calendly, this will kickstart the Zap. After selecting your trigger event, you'll need to connect your Calendly account. Click on Sign In and follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Calendly account. With your account now connected, you can proceed by clicking Continue. This ensures that the correct connection settings are stored in Zapier. We're now going to specify the action to be executed in Pipedrive whenever the trigger event occurs. Click on Action and we'll get started on this part of the process by typing Pipedrive into the search bar. Once it appears, click on Pipedrive to establish it as the app where our resulting action will take place. In this step, we're repeating a similar process by clicking on Choose an Event to decide exactly what action Pipedrive will take. This could range from creating a new deal to updating an existing one, depending on your needs. Once you've decided on the action, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Pipedrive account. This step is crucial to ensure that Zapier can automate the tasks you select. With these steps completed, you've successfully set up your Zap. Now, whenever someone schedules a meeting with you via Calendly, the information will automatically be entered into Pipedrive, streamlining your workflow and saving you valuable time. So that's how you connect Calendly to Pipedrive using Zapier. It's a simple, efficient way to automate some of the repetitive tasks in your schedule management. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it helps make your day that little bit more productive. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.